Hi guys, this is my new build project video. You see Revell's 144 scale landing ship medium. If I open the box you may be waiting an untouched model kit, but this is a started project. I started it 5 years ago. Yes, this is the last of my Daunting Kit series. You may ask, what is this Daunting Kit series, Richie? Me and a few very nice modelers in the group build group decided to save dead projects. That project is what became abandoned on the some point of the build. And this landing ship medium is definitely a dead project. Sorry to disappoint you if you are waiting a full build video. This project is started so long ago that I don't have even pictures from the start. But maybe you are a modeler like most of us, who have plenty of dead projects at home. If you are, then you will find here inspiration to restart them. There are many reasons how a project become dead or daunting project. I tell you this specific model kit story. This Revell kit was a present for my 40th birthday from my colleague and friend. And that was 5 years ago. My colleague asks me every year that am I finished building it? And the answer year by year is no. But this year will be special, because this year I will finish it. Hey Richie, how do you know that you own a daunting model kit? That is an easy question, my friend. If you have an unfinished model kit on your shelf, which is untouched from months or years, and you look the other way because you know that there it is, well, you have a daunting model kit. What could you do if you own one of those? You can sell it. If you check the modeling forums, the dead or daunting projects are easy to recognize. Most of them have lot of upgrade parts, and they are cheap, because the seller want to get rid of them. These kits are great deals for other modelers. But there is another option. You can restart building them. How I plan to cut the build videos? I plan 2 episodes from building the ship because it is the most difficult from all of the steps. 1 episode from building the vehicles and another 1 episode from finishing the figures. So it will be 3 main sections: ship, vehicles and figures. By the way, this is a very nice and detailed model kit. All the small vehicles what you see on the footage are original parts. There are Stackhounds and Shermans and different transporters, all parts of the box. Only the Bandai figures are upgrade parts. I don't know what this part is used for. Maybe it is a fuse, the case if I want to roast myself. I will use better ropes, which are match the scale. And this is how I restarted building this model kit. I took the instructions and I checked which step is finished and which is not. As I said, it was 5 years ago when I had last time this Revell kit in my hands. And during these 5 years there is one thing changed on this project, namely the memories in my head. So I needed a lot of refresh and new plans. So, we have a lot of work to do. Let's build this. What is the heaviest part in resurrecting a dead project? It needs a lot of effort starting it. You need to find your fun again in the build process. And the magic happens.
You're scared away from people loving you, forever changing, forever changing. Feed them your cash, try to make it last. I don't think they know you, but I think they like the dash. They can bring their friends, offer them a bed, talk about their issues while getting their consent. If someone gives a shit, I'd like to tell the truth. Don't mind your bailing out, I mind your attitude. Got something else in mind. I think you're scared away from people loving you, forever changing, forever changing. I think I might be into deep, and I'm not sure this is for me, unless you offer something sweet. If someone gives a shit, I'd like to tell the truth. Don't mind your bailing out, I mind your attitude. Got something else in mind. I think you're scared away from people loving you, forever changing.
Maybe this is the weakest part of the kit, the captain's bridge, because the mediocre fittings of the parts, but nothing unrepairable. It's only a sign that we have a Revell kit in our hands. I think it is time for another time lapse. And this is the end of the ship build video part 1. A lot of things happened so far. I chose the kit to build, I checked the state, I restarted building it, and during the video I did a lot of steps forward in the build process. The ship is in this state now. In the next episode I will try to finish it. Please follow this project here in YouTube. Thank you for watching.